Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and more. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.